So today we have this S10 for battery replacement. First of all, we will heat it up. The temperature is 350 degrees centigrade and the airflow is 5. So heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will put some alcohol. Now with the help of this blade I will make some opening, and then I'll use this card and swipe. See, the back is open. Now we will use this T4 screwdriver to unscrew the back. Now as you can see, we have opened all the screws from this area till this area. Now we will take off the back by using this plastic spudger. Be careful, do not go deep inside. And carefully peel off this wireless charging pad. Now disconnect the battery, and now we will put some alcohol here. Do not put too much, just the right amount. Now we will use this spudger to take out the battery. So this is the old battery. Now we will clean the old adhesive. Here is the new battery. We'll use this tape. So this is a double side tape. I will put one here and one here, and then peel it off. We'll remove this adhesive. So this is the new battery. So mind it that you have to connect the battery connector first. And once it's connected, then carefully adjust the battery into the frame like this. So once it's connected, we will do the back adjustment, and you will hear the click sound. Then put back all the screws. So once we have put all the screws back, we will glue the back of the phone with this glue T7000 clear. Now we'll put this back glass on the back of the phone and then press it gently. Now we'll check if the phone is charging. Yeah, it's charging. Now let's check from the other side. Yeah, it's charging as well. So it's done. Thank you for watching the video.